Hi class, welcome to another week of Counseling 120. It's a short week. Again, remember it's the President's Day holidays here, so there are no classes on Friday and Monday and no weekend classes. So again, the schedule for the district this week is Monday through Thursday, and next week it is Tuesday through Saturday. So if you have courses that are on Friday or Monday in person, they are not going to be meeting this Friday or Monday for President's Day. With that said, since it is a shorter week, what we will really be doing is be kind of transitioning into time management. So we'll have one lecture on time management this week, as well as an assignment on your weekly schedule and how you spend your time. And we'll also have some discussions which will be prompted in the lecture, but will also be posted online. So I hope you all are having a great week. And again, just remember to keep up with the lectures, because I think we're going to be having another quiz next week as well on the material we've covered since the last quiz. So take care and see you all online on Canvas.